Did you know that TikTok is no longer just a platform for entertainment but a real source of income for thousands of people worldwide? If you're wondering how to turn your time on TikTok into money, you're in the right place. In this video from Glimpse Pro, we'll reveal 5 effective ways to make money on TikTok in 2025. Let's get started. Method 1. TikTok Creator Fund. If you're an active content creator with a decent number of views, you can earn money through the TikTok Creator Fund. The more views your videos get, the more you earn. However, you must meet the basic requirements: at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Question for you: do you think this method is enough to generate a steady income? Share your thoughts in the comments. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. You don't need millions of followers to make money. Simply promote products through affiliate links, and whenever someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Many companies and online stores offer affiliate programs, such as Amazon, Shopify, and others. Tip: choose products that match your audience's interests to increase your chances of making sales. Method 3. Live streaming and virtual gifts. Live streaming on TikTok can be a great way to earn money, as viewers can send you virtual gifts, which you can convert into real cash. The more engaging and entertaining your live content is, the more support you'll receive from your audience. Great idea! Use this feature to answer your audience's questions or give them valuable tips in real time. Method 4. Brand sponsorships. Brands are always looking for influencers on TikTok to promote their products. If you have an active and engaged audience, you can land paid sponsorship deals. The more credible and interactive you are, the more opportunities you'll get for profitable partnerships. Question for you: have you ever seen a TikTok ad that made you want to buy a product? Let us know in the comments. Method 5. Selling products and services. If you have a product or service, you can use TikTok to promote it and reach a massive audience. Whether you're selling clothing, online courses, digital designs, or even consulting services, TikTok is a powerful marketing tool that helps you generate real sales. Tip: create engaging short videos to grab attention and boost your sales. Conclusion: as you've seen, TikTok is not just a platform for entertainment, it's a golden opportunity to make money in various ways. Which of these methods do you think suits you best? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Glimpse Pro for the latest strategies on making money online. See you in the next video.